This video will cover an introduction to our task functionality, work allocation, and task redirection. Both work allocation and task redirection help the organization balance workloads and keep aware of trends, all in real time. Before we look at work allocation and task redirection, let's first look at an example task and the functionality available for tasks. To notify a user that they are required to do a piece of work as part of an automated business process, a task is assigned to them. A task is a message that appears in the user's inbox. This inbox specifies the work the user is expected to do. The task can also have a list of actions associated with it. Actions are links to current application pages where the work required to perform the task may be performed. The task homepage displays the details of a specific task. In addition, links are provided from the task homepage to the pages in the application designed to allow the user to carry out the principal actions associated with the task. The task history and comments page displays all of the events that have occurred during the life cycle of the task. For each event, the username, the date and time that the life cycle event occurred, and change information are recorded. The task assignments page displays the current assignments for the task. This page displays a graphical view of the process instance associated with the task. Each activity in the process definition is displayed, as well as the transitions between them. The currently executing activity is also highlighted. Details of activities that have already been executed are displayed in this view, including the activity name, the date and time that the activity was executed, and the status of any task associated with the execution of the activity. To go into more depth, let's talk about work allocation. When a task is created, or a notification is delivered as a result of the execution of an activity, that task or notification must be routed to a specific user or group of users for it to be actioned. This process is called work allocation. When a task is assigned or allocated to an organizational object, such as job, position, or work queue, the task is assigned directly to that organizational object and not to the individual users who are members of that organizational object or subscribed to that work queue. Therefore, once a user becomes a member of an organizational object, they will then be able to see all existing tasks assigned to that organizational object. Similarly, when a user ceases to be a member of an organizational object, they will no longer be able to see the tasks assigned to that organizational object or work queue. Work queues are maintained using workflow administration, where an administrator can create, edit, or remove work queues from the system. Work queues can also have a sensitivity level which restricts user access to the work queue by comparing the sensitivity specified for the work queue against the user's sensitivity. Work queues can be defined for particular jobs or roles, for particular departments, or any other arrangements. For example, the claim approval work queue and the claims department work queue. Tasks that are assigned to a work queue are visible to any user who subscribes to that work queue. Task redirection enables the user to redirect tasks to another user or organizational object. This function is useful for situations such as annual leave or for extended periods of staff training. The user can specify the dates when the redirection starts and when it ends. Task redirection must be set up to start at a future date and can run either indefinitely or for a limited period of time. While the redirection period is active, no new tasks are assigned to the user. Instead, the tasks are assigned to the selected user or organizational object. Any tasks in the user's My Open Tasks list will remain in their My Open Tasks list. Once a redirection period is active, all tasks currently assigned to the user may be removed from the user's inbox and then added to the assigned task list of the user or organizational object specified in the task redirection. IBM Currem software provides tools to ensure that case supervisors have the information needed about caseloads and workflow, and also have the ability to make adjustments to work queues, workflow, and case ownership in real time. Thank you for watching. Make sure to view our other videos highlighting other unique features in our IBM Currem Child Welfare solution.